everyone, welcome back. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is how to find companies that can make supplements for you. We want to find a company that can make supplements and then we just slap our name on it and start selling it. So that's what we're going to talk about. So let's go make it happen. Now what I want you to do is open up your web browser and head on over to google.com. So let's go do that. As soon as you're at Google, what I want you to do is to start typing in some of these different keywords and see what comes up. So first keyword you can try typing in is private label supplements. You see that? Private label supplements. This keyword right here is the money keyword, and this is going to help you find a lot of really great companies. Check this out right here, privatelabelnutra.com. This one is a big company that can help you make supplements. There it is. Let's go down. This company is ionlabs.com. Now, this is saying in the description that they have a 5K bottle minimum. So for that reason, let's just skip. What that means is that they'll make supplements for you, but in order to get them to make supplements for you, you have to order at least 5,000. So for starting out and just testing the water on Amazon, I don't recommend ordering 5,000 bottles, especially if it's a new product, you're not quite sure how it's going to do. So for that reason, let's skip that one. Let's go down though. You'll notice that there are a lot of great companies here. RelianceVitamin.com, Vitalabs.com. We'll open that one up. And also on the ads on the right. Clinically proven, private labeled vitamins. The list goes on. There's, and really, when it comes to this stuff, what I would encourage you to do is to also go a few pages deep. Look at the second page, the third page, the fourth and fifth on Google, because there are a lot of great manufacturers, great suppliers that make supplements that suck when it comes to making websites. They make pills. They're not good at making websites and getting their site to rank on Google. So just because they're on the fourth or fifth page, doesn't mean they're not good. It may mean that they're great, that they're just not good at Google SEO. So for that reason, I'd encourage you to go a few pages deep. Now, there's one other thing that I want to mention here. If you're running a blank and you're not quite sure of some keywords to try typing in, do you see right here where it says searches related to private label supplements? Well, underneath it, they give you a lot of great ideas that you can try typing in. Private label dietary supplements, private label nutraceuticals, sports supplements, private label vitamins, private label herbal supplements. So these are all keywords that you can try searching. Let's go back up to the top. And you can also try something like wholesale supplements. Right? And this is going to show you a lot of other companies that, you could probably private label from. Look at this, wholesale supplements, Biotech Pharmacal, Best Pure Bulk Supplements, A1 Supplements, Wholesale Supplement Store, Mass Nutrition, etc. So these are a lot of other companies you can try going through. We did private label supplements, but you can also do white label supplements, right? White label supplements. And this also has a lot of great companies that are going to come up down here. So make sure to write that keyword down, white label supplements. And you can also do supplement manufacturer, right? Supplement manufacturer. And a lot of great companies down here. NutriCap Labs, we'll open that one up. Pure NSM, and a lot of other good ones. So really, a lot of these companies are great. So what I would encourage you to do is just check out their website, go through it, read about their products, the quality. Feel free to look up and get reviews on it and check the prices and stuff like that. And then just pick a company and go with it, right? Now, there's going to be some questions that you can ask any one of these companies before going with them, and we'll talk about that in the next video as far as like some good interrogation questions that you could ask them to help you figure out which one's going to be the best for you to go with. But it really is this simple, you guys. It really, really is this simple. So supplement manufacturer. Otherwise, if you know a specific supplement that you want to do, you can try typing that in here, like acai berry, and then you could say something like manufacturer. Acai berry manufacturer. You could do acai berry white label, acai berry private label. And as you'll see, I've got a lot of different ones here. So let's open this up. So let's go to one of these websites here, privatelabelnutra.com. And this is a big company that produces a lot of top supplements. So this is a company behind a lot of big brands that you probably have seen online and you just didn't know it. So what you can do here is you can check out their private label section to get started with private label. They got some info about their custom labeling, about the packaging and logo design and all that stuff. And what we're going to do, though, let's click on our products. And underneath it, they've got our products again. So let's go there. And you got two different options here: view product categories and view full product list. So, you could check out either one of these. Let's go to full product list and let's go down. So these are some stock formulas that they've already got pre-made, so it's really easy to buy and start selling. You could contact them probably like right away. I could contact them like now and ask them, hey, I'm interested in selling cranberry fruit, or I'm interested in selling your deer antler extract. You see right here? And I mean, honestly, I could probably get this thing done, get my logo slapped on it, and get this thing shipped out and over to me within a day or two. So, they can get this done very, very quickly. So there you go. Oh yeah, and by the way, and we'll probably talk about it more later, but just FYI, when it comes to ordering your first supplements, I recommend getting them sent straight to your house. So that way you can see the packaging, you can see, how it gets boxed, you can see the bottle itself, how is it, make sure that everything went smoothly, you can see how long it took them to ship and all that kind of good stuff. So it's really important. I would encourage you when you make your first order to just order a few bottles and get it shipped to your house. So that way you could check it out and inspect it and, just see it for yourself. We are going to have Amazon handle, most our shipping and handles, taking the orders and sending stuff out for us. They're going to be the ones that's basically behind the scene running the show for us. And, after we've done that first shipment or so, then we're going to just have all shipments sent to Amazon, and they're just going to handle everything for us. But on your first order, I recommend you getting a few of the bottles sent to your house. That way you can inspect it, check it out, and just see how it is. And that way you can see it hands-on. And so look, as you guys can see here, there's so many different supplements that they got. And honestly, if I just contact them about any kind of supplement, I am sure that they could create it if they don't have it listed here. But, you could just look through here. Do they have kelp? Remember that one we saw on Amazon earlier, the kelp supplement? Look, there it is. Kelp right there. They also got some kidney formula. They got joint support. They got iron. They got basil. They got everything imaginable here. But let's do a search here for something else. How about Garcinia cambogia? Everybody's been talking about Garcinia cambogia. So, it's basically a diet supplement that can help with weight loss, and it's been really hot. So I'm probably going to end up just going with the Garcinia cambogia supplement just because I can. So that's probably what we'll end up going with. So, what we'll end up doing here is let's just go to Private Label Nutraceuticals, which is privatelabelnutra.com, and we're going to get them to make our own Garcinia cambogia. How does that sound? But hey, like I mentioned earlier, you guys, there are a lot of different companies here, a lot of different websites. Feel free to check them out. And again, don't judge the company by their website. Most of these guys are not good at making websites. So, they might be a really great company that just sucks at that. Okay? So, look at this one, privatelabelwholesalers.com. You see this? If you go up here to private label products, let's click on that. And check this out. I want to show you this down here. So they got acai berry, African mango, antioxidants, coconut oil, and just about everything else down here. You see this, raspberry ketones, weight loss supplements, etc. Now their prices look pretty high compared to a lot of companies. They're saying that they can do this as low as $4.85. Now honestly, some of these other companies that are out there, you could probably get this acai berry thing done for like $2 or $3. And while the price difference may not be that much, when we're talking about selling 10,000 bottles, 50,000 bottles, that extra $1.85 makes a big difference. So, this is again why it's really important to shop around and contact a few different companies to find out who's got the best rates and which one you like the best. So I just wanted to show you though that there are a lot of companies out there that can do this stuff for you. And it's not just limited to weight loss and supplements, even though this is a video about supplements, but I just wanted to get you guys thinking outside the box. What about skincare and cosmetics? Well, we could white label that too. In fact, if you go to Google, type in skincare private label, check this out. It looks like Private Label Nutra does skincare too. You got this company brand MD Skincare. You got manufacturer private label natural skincare, vitallab.com, Pravada, and all these other companies here that do skincare. So you could try that keyword. How about private label cosmetics, right? And that's going to show you a lot of other companies. So really, the big point of this video was I just wanted to show you how easy it is to find companies to make your products for you. And I know this may be like uncharted territory for you, and it might seem crazy and scary, like, oh my god, sounds so intense. It's really, really easy. I'm telling you, it's this simple. Type these keywords, just pick one of these websites that you like and that looks promising to you, check it out, and if it looks like something that you're interested in, all you got to do really is just find to see if they do the supplement that you want to do. In our case, we're going to go with the privatelabelnutra.com, and we're going to ask them about the Garcinia cambogia, right? And it's really this simple, you guys. Like, you can give them a call right now. I can just pick up my phone, call them, which that's the best thing to do. I highly recommend calling people, because they're really able to, help you out. They're able to answer all your questions that you got and all that stuff. Otherwise, you could send them an email or use this little box. And it's that simple. Say, hey, I'm interested in selling Garcinia cambogia. And can you send me some of your rates and how quickly you can get started? And basically, that's it. They'll send you the rates, and you can then get started and have your own supplement brand. So that about wraps up this video. In the next video, I'm going to give you a list of some really great questions that you can ask them, and we'll take it from there. So I'll see you guys in that video.